Hello people, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to convert a 16:9 aspect ratios video to 4:3 aspect ratio. So let's get started. First, I want you all to create a new event and right click on this and create a new project. Let's rename it 4:3, and then as you can see that the default setting for my Final Cut Pro is at 4K and standard 4K resolution, frame rate 60 frames per second. But as you can see that you can't actually change anything from here. We have to click this video format, and select custom. And I want you all to go to the maximum available resolution to ensure the maximum quality of every pixel of your video. So if your video is in 4K resolution, 3200 times 2400 or can go. If your video is shot in 4K resolution, I recommend you guys to choose 3200 times 2400, and you can change the frame rate over here. And I suppose I recommend you to choose the highest frame rate possible, but if you don't really want to be having a maximum frames per second, you can always choose whichever frame rates you're comfortable with and your original video is shot in. If your video is shot in 1080p, you can always downgrade it to 1152 times 864. So since most of my video are shot in 4K, so I'm gonna choose 3200 times 2400, and that's what I'm gonna use for today's video to demonstrate. And please remember to select the correct codec and standard color space Rec 709. Alright, now let's drag a random video, for example this one, and drag it over to the timeline like this. Very simple. And you can see that this thing is not filling up the entire screen, so what you need to do is either click on this and go to modify and select smart conform, and it automatically analyzes the clip and help you analyze and enlarge it. And you can just change it over here like this to make sure whichever portion of this video you want it to be is showing on the screen. Or if you're using an older version of Final Cut Pro without the smart conform, you can always come here at the bottom left hand corner and choose crop and select crop and click done if you are satisfied. If not, you can just change like just now, shift over whichever portion you want it to be and click done. And this is very simple technique to change your aspect ratio from 16:9 to 4:3 or 16:10 to 4:3. Very simple, and that's all you need to do. That's the end of today's tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and please remember to hit subscribe and like button. Bye bye.